Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change Instagram images. It's done very quickly and simply. To do this, you go to your Instagram profile, and you click on the profile button. Next, you click on the three bars. You unlock the profile settings. You open it up. Now you click on Account Center, and you click on Personal Details. You click on Birthday. This is where you select your account, and click on Edit. Now here you can select the new year, month, and date. Once you select your desired birthday date, save and exit here. Now your birthday date is saved. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way to do it. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.